Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily install its application, the Nothing Headphones 1 application on your iPhone, and how to set up this application with it. So first we need to go not to settings, we have to go to App Store, and here we have to go into search. In the search bar we have to search for the Nothing X. Now search. Wait a moment. Search. Here, as you can see, we have this application, Nothing X from Nothing Technology Limited, and here we have to tap this button. You'll see Get button here, and if you click this Get button, you have to authorize yourselves using either the Face ID or Apple ID password or the Touch ID. Then, as you can see, your application is installed. We have to tap Open. And now I recommend to be paired with your headphones before this whole process of linking your headphones with your app. Now we have to tap Allow and get started. Here we can tap Later, Continue, Allow, and Connect. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.